Okay, hello. Today we're going to unpack the leather wallet from the MIAJEE'S. MIAJEE'S, they are based in Hong Kong, but actually the founder is from Pakistan. He wanted to showcase the talent of people who produce handmade leather accessories, bags and everything in Pakistan. And so MIAJEE'S now is the company to produce handcrafted wallets, bags and other leather accessories for your wardrobe, and mostly for men. So let's see what we got here. Okay, that looks nice. Handmade leather, it says. Okay, this is business card, MIAJEE'S. Yes. So it says MIAJEE'S is handcrafted leather essential brand based in Hong Kong. Okay, let's move on to our main thing here. This is the wallet. Let's see here. Oh, this is quite comfortable. This is for cards, for business cards. This is for IDs or for driver's license, which is good. Let's put it back in place. Here again we have 1, 2, 3, so 6 compartments for credit cards. Some cards that you can put in here as well, here and here. So lots of space. And there is 1 compartment for banknotes. Okay.
What about the build-up quality?
Yeah, it's good. The leather is quite soft, and the look is quite nice. Yes. And the stitches looks nice as well. And they like this logo. So let's see how it shows itself in exploitation. See how long will it last.